Alright guys, so for today's video, I'm super excited to review the Duelhawk Ultra 2 desk chair. Now, for me personally, I just love desk chairs because I spend so much time at my desk, and so having a very supportive and comfortable, mainly just like ergonomic chair is very important to me personally. Alright, so the first thing I want to talk about is the setup process. Now, this chair did come in a box. I did have to set it up, but luckily it was actually pretty simple to set up. So first things first is I got the package inside my house, and this is a very, very heavy package. So I kind of had to slide it into my apartment, but once I finally got it into my office, it was time to set it up. And honestly, like I said, it is actually very, very simple to actually set up, and it took about maybe 15 minutes or something like that. So that is something I really do like, is that the setup process, the instructions and everything like that is just super easy to understand and follow. And yeah, it took me about 15 minutes to have a perfectly standing chair. And as you guys can see, me unboxing the chair and pulling out the accessories and parts, I knew this was gonna be a very quality and very comfortable chair. And I was not wrong. Dude, that is nice. That is a nice material right there. Look at that. Well, you guys can feel how that feels. Look at that. With the aluminum accents on there. That looks good, dude. All right, so when we got the chair all assembled, I actually was super surprised how comfortable this chair was. The hydraulics on this thing is crazy.
Is that what's underneath it?
Oh, wow. Look at that, I can pretty much like lay back on this. And also how customizable this chair is as well. With my previous Herman Miller chair, there was really only one setting, that was to move it up and down. There was no setting to move the armrest or the seat cushion or the head cushion or anything like that. You can set it pretty much however you want, and that's something that I really do like about this Duelhawk Ultra 2. All right, so the first thing is the backrest. So like I said, this was a very, very heavy box, and I think the majority of the heft came from this backrest area. It is super, super heavy. It's probably like 20 to 30 pounds, maybe even more. So that just shows you the quality on this chair right off the bat. When I picked that thing up, I was like, okay, yeah, this is a very, very durable and sturdy and ergonomic chair that I could just feel in the weight of the chair itself. I also really do like the design. I haven't really seen a chair like this before where it's like a slit through the back. And this is actually where you can customize all the headrest and backrest and lumbar support and stuff like that, which I'll talk about a little bit later. But I just love how it looks in general. But with this backrest, it is a very, very comfortable, soft texture. It is kind of like this microfiber kind of texture. So if you had like a screen protector or something like that that came with a microfiber cloth or Apple's microfiber cloth, it is a very, very like soft material, and that is kind of the material that it is lined with in the chair. And also the headrest and the lumbar support as well is lined with this material. So it just feels overall super, super premium to feel and just to sit in. And I haven't really seen a chair that has this much microfiber or suede or whatever the material is. And honestly, I think more chairs should have this kind of material built in. And I know it's probably more of an expensive material. This chair is not cheap, but I really do like that they added this kind of premium material all around this chair. The next is the seat cushion. Now, the seat cushion is a little bit stiffer than you would think, but I honestly think that's a really, really good thing because you want to have good posture when you're sitting in a desk chair. This chair, you're supposed to be sitting in for hours and hours on end every single day, and that's what I do personally. So having that kind of extra support, making it not as cushy as you would think, is actually a good thing for your posture and just your daily, how your body should actually be sitting in a chair. Not slumped back, not bad posture. So with this seat on this chair, it is comfortable, but is a little bit stiffer, which I actually really, really do like. I also really do like this because a lot of times I put my feet up like crisscross applesauce on the chair, and being able to do this with this seat cushion is actually very, very nice. With my previous chair, it was just not really that comfortable to do. So I'd only be able to do it for like a few minutes, and then it just to get too uncomfortable and I have to put my feet down. But with this chair, the seat cushion is perfect for doing that kind of thing. So if you're the person that does that, I might be the only one, but if you do that, then that is a plus side for this chair. The next thing I want to talk about is the arms on this chair. So for me personally, on my previous chair, I'm used to having pretty much no customizable settings on the chair because it is basically one piece. Like I said, you can only move it up and down. But with this chair, you can move the armrest pretty much however angle you want. You can move it side to side, up and down, left to right, however you want to do it. There is an option and a setting for you. So if you have a super interesting, like one arm needs to be like this sideways and the other arm needs to be up a little bit more, you can do this. They're both individual settings. So you pretty much have whatever setting you want on each arm, which I really do like the customization on this chair, which again has me very confident with the lifetime of this chair. All right, guys, so the next thing I want to talk about is the headrest and lumbar support on this chair. So I think these might be separate to purchase, but in my personal opinion, you should get both, especially the headrest, because with this headrest, again, they're covering that very premium microfiber material, so they match the chair perfectly well and they feel very, very premium again. But you can also move them down and adjust them however you want throughout the chair. So all you have to do is screw it into the back of the chair like this. I have the headrest in right there. If you want your headrest down a little bit more or up a little bit more, you can adjust that by just lifting it and going up and down. So I really like that. I haven't really seen this much customization with any other chair that I've even sat in at a chair store. Like, it took me so long to find a ergonomic chair because I knew I was going to be sitting at my desk for hours and hours and hours. And I've never seen a chair that has this many settings that you can configure and change, and it's be so adaptive to your sitting style. So that's something that I really do like with these extra accessories, that you can move them pretty much however you want. With the lumbar support right here, again, this is that nice microfiber material, and it is also covered with a memory foam material as well, which honestly feels very, very good. It'll keep that shape while giving you support as well, which I really, really do like. I probably have not seen a chair that has this much memory foam material on these accessories that, again, you can customize however you want, so you can move it up and down. If you don't like the lumbar support, for me personally, I kind of prefer chairs without lumbar support or a very minimal amount. So for me, I just took it off and it is right here, and it is super easy to, again, customize this and you change it however you want. So that is something that is a learning experience with this chair, is that I have never had this many customizable features on this chair. So for me, I kind of had to figure it out and figure out what is the most comfortable for me personally, because you can change however you want to sit in this chair, which again is a plus. The next thing I want to talk about is the wheels and base of the chair. Now with the wheels and base, this is actually very, very important because, like I said, guys, this chair is actually pretty heavy. It's about 70 pounds altogether. So it is a heavy boy. It is just a heavy chair. So having very, very supportive and just durable wheels on this chair, they run very, very smoothly. I have half carpet and half wood vinyl in this office area, and 2 wheels are on the carpet and the rest of the wheels are on the, vinyl flooring. So with my previous chairs, the wheels just kind of got stuck and just did not run smoothly. But because of the weight of this chair and the wheels, how they run so smoothly, it is just super easy to move this chair from getting out of it and stuff like that, and moving it around the office space. So yeah, guys, overall, my experience with the chair has been really, really good. I've never really experienced a chair with this many configurations and quality before. Like I said, I've been searching for an office chair for a really, really long time before I bought my previous chair. And with this chair, I feel like I've been missing out on it, honestly. So yeah, for the type of person that works at your desk a lot or games a lot, this chair is the one for you, because again, there's just so many different kind of customizable features and materials that you just wouldn't think about in any other chair. It's probably one of the best chairs I've ever sat in my life. And that's something to say, because I've sat in so many different chairs and this one happens to be one of the best. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this chair, I'll leave a link down in the description below where you guys can check it out. I think there is a $200 deposit that you have to pay. So if you're wanting the chair as soon as possible, I recommend sending your order as soon as possible. They can make it, they can create it, and have it shipped as soon as possible to your door. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.